Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Insane Mathematics. The diameters of the smaller circles are in the ratio 1:3 and the area of square ABCD has an area of 9 square unit. What is the area of largest circle? So in the solution, let's consider the diameter of large circle is PQ and the center of this circle is O. Now what we are going to do, we just drop the perpendicular from the center O to the side CD which intersects side CD at N and extend this perpendicular to meet AB at M. Definitely NO and MO are perpendicular to CD and AB respectively. So NO is perpendicular to CD and MO is perpendicular to AB. As they have given, the area of square ABCD has an area of 9 square unit. Therefore, sides AB, BC, CD and DA will be 3 unit. We can assume PC will be twice of x and CQ will be 6x, which implies CO will be 3x. Now we can see the triangle PBC and PMO will be similar. PBC and triangle PMO are similar. Therefore PC, that is 2x, upon PO, that is 2x plus 3x, 5x, is equals to BC, that is 3, and MO. We can find MO from this equation and that will be 7.5 unit. As MO is equals to MN plus NO and Mn is equals to AD, therefore we can write Mn is 3 unit plus NO and MO is, we have find 7.5, therefore NO will be 4.5 unit. Now in the triangle CDQ, we can see CO is equals to OQ and NO is parallel to DQ. Therefore we can write DQ is equals to twice of NO, hence DQ will be 9 unit. Now in the triangle CDQ, by the Pythagoras theorem we can write CQ square is equals to CD square plus DQ square. CQ is 6x and CD is 3 and DQ is, we have find 9. Therefore Cx is equals to 90 root, that is equals to 3 root 10. So divide this equation by 3, we will get 2x is equals to root 10. Multiply this equation by 2, we get 4x is equals to 2 root 10 unit. So we need to calculate the area of this large circle. Therefore we need to calculate the radius of this circle. As we have assumed PQ is 8x, therefore radius of this circle will be 4x and we have calculated the value of 4x. Now area of this circle will be, pi r square. That means that is equals to pi into 2 root 10 whole square and it will be 40 pi. That is the answer. So if you like the video, do consider subscribe the channel.